Welcome to Divine Arts of Food. In this video, we'll see the recipe of Choco Lava Mug Cake without oven and without egg. It is really very easy to make chocolatey mug lava cake. And let's get started. So for my recipe, I'm going to use these kinds of two mugs. You can use any kind of mug. Mine is little bit big. You can use a small one also. So for lava cake, I am using maida. I have used 10 tablespoons of maida. I have used this spoon. So 5 tablespoons each for the two mugs. So my recipe is based on these two mugs. So accordingly, you can change the quantity. So now I have taken 10 tablespoons of maida, 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and then I have taken 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 pinches of baking soda. So mix these all dry ingredients well. After that we'll add the wet ingredients. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons of milk, added gently, and after that I have taken 1 tablespoon of milk in which I have added 1 tablespoon of normal vegetable oil, and I will add that also. After that add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix these all ingredients slowly. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of curd. Since my recipe is eggless, the substitute for egg is curd. So instead of curd, you can also add 1 egg. So this must be the consistency of the choco lava batter. It must be somewhat runny, not like the normal one. So fill your mug half so that while it bakes, it will increase in its size. So after filling your batter, I will add 1 piece of chocolate. You can use any chocolate. You can also use dairy milk. And slowly cover the chocolate over the top of the batter. And now our choco lava cake is ready for baking. You can bake at 180 degrees in the preheated oven for 4 minutes, not more than that. Or you can also bake in kadai by lining it with some salt and place gently your choco lava mug over the rack. And cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes by closing it in low flame. After 8 minutes, our choco lava cake is ready. Let's check if it is cooked well. For that I am using a toothpick and insert it from the side, and it must come out clean so that it indicates that your cake has baked well. And our divine choco lava mug cake is ready. See the top portion of the cake, how the chocolate is coming out of the cake. This is really very yummy. While seeing itself, it is really very mouth-watering. Now what are you waiting for? Take a spoon and dig in. See how the chocolate is coming perfectly well. This is only because that we have baked it very correctly. If you overcook it, you can't get this chocolate. So be careful while you're baking it and keep checking in between. See how our chocolate is coming. It is really very tempting for me. Everyone will like this mug choco lava cake. So give this choco lava mug cake recipe a try and enjoy. I'll see you all in my next recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.